Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Plumbing Sales Lead Prospect Tracking Database template. So you're going to want to scroll up a little here until you get to the sales section, and you're going to want to select the Access Plumbing Sales Lead Prospect Tracking Database. Once that web page loads, you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you are currently running on. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once it downloads, go ahead and open it. And you're going to want to extract all that file, so go ahead and extract that. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views that as a potential security risk or warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open the database template. Alright, so this would be perfect for a plumbing company that needs to keep track of all their leads and all their sales and their prospects. However, if you like this database template but you don't own a plumbing company, let Winning Solutions Inc. know, and we can customize the database template to make it compatible for any type of company that you run or own. Alright, so let's get started here. So we're going to start by, we're going to add a new lead prospect, and we're just going to fill out some of this information. I'm going to put in my name, Bundy, we're going to put in Mr. And the prospect lead, so this would be like the company that I work for. This is just a demonstration, so there is a test company already put in here. However, you can obviously edit that and put in different test companies, especially, well, if you bought the database template, you obviously can put in any. But even within this demo, you could even go in and edit and put in a different company. But I'm just going to go with this one for now. Email, we'll just put in a test email. Put in the phone number of my assistant, I guess, why not? I mean, as you can see, you can fill out a lot of information. I'm not going to fill out all this information just for the sake of the demonstration, but some other things you can do is fill out an address, a picture of the contact, notes, and all your interactions that you had with them. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to save and close this. Okay, and so now what I can do is I can search for that prospect. So if I just search my name, as you can see, you can search for other things too, but I'm just going to specifically search for my name. Run the search. And look at that, Mr. Blake Bundy, there I pop up. And I can even double click this record to view or edit the record. So this opens this back up. However, I'm not going to be doing anything to it for now. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. Close out of that. And so now what we can do is we can add an interaction that we had with me. So I just created the prospect. Now we're going to add an interaction that I've had. So the employee who had the interaction, we're going to say person 1 was the plumber or the employee. Interaction type, we'll say call, location, keep it simple, location 1. Contact person, there I am. That's the person I created, Blake Bundy. So now the date, we'll put the 30th. Yeah, keep it the 30th. Follow-up date, we're gonna make it a week later, the 6th. There we go. We'll just fill out some test notes, just put in that. And we're gonna actually just create a custom color so we can view it on the calendar easier. We're just gonna go orange. Click OK. So now I'm gonna go ahead and save and close this interaction. Now what I can do is I can look at the calendar view and I can see that interaction. So this is today, and we obviously didn't make it today. We made it the 30th. So if I view the monthly form, I need to now call customer on this January 6th. Now, it doesn't show up on the 30th because that was just the day you first contacted them. But if I go on daily view and I want to go view January 6th, there we go. I now have to know that I have to call that person. So if I double click on this, look at that. I need to call contact person Blake Bundy on that day. So the first interaction was the 30th right there. And our follow-up date was, which is right here, January 6th. Let's go ahead and cancel out of that. Go ahead and close that. And you can even search for your interaction. So, you know, we made an interaction. So it was at location 1. We'll search by location. Even though you can search by search date, end date, interaction type, employee, all that good stuff. We're just going to search by location 1. And there I am right here. As you can see, there already is some test information within this database already that was put in just for the sake of the demonstration. But I just had created a new one, so this is the new one I had created. So pretty cool. Go ahead and close out of that. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on there, as we post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.